Hi everyone, we're going to solve each logarithmic equation, and these are the three problems we're going to do. So we get started. The first one is this one. First thing I want to do is condense this and write this as a single log. And my base is 2. Since it's plus, I'm going to write this as x minus 1 times x plus 3, and that equals 5. Then I'm going to write it as an exponent. By the way, this is going to be x squared plus 2x minus 3. So we have 2 to the 5th power equals, because that's your power, x squared plus 2x minus 3. Now, this is 32. We're going to subtract 32 from both sides, so we get 0 equals x squared plus 2x minus 35. This one's simple enough. This will be 7 and 5. This will be x plus 7 and x minus 5. I'll double check my factoring. That's negative 5 plus 7, which gives me 2. So basically, my solutions would be x equals negative 7 and x equals 5. Now we have to double check our solutions. When I plug in negative 7 into this, I'm going to get a negative 8. Well, that's not in our domain. It also doesn't work in this quantity, but it only has to not work in 1. So we have to disregard the x equals negative 7 as an extraneous solution. Now, plug in your 5, or you can just look. If you plug in 5 here, you know this is going to be positive. Plug in 5 there, it's going to be positive. So x equals 5 is our solution. So this one's the same thing. We're going to write as a single log by condensing using the quotient property, because this is a minus, so that's going to be x plus 3 divided by x. I have a single log equals 2. So basically, my base is 5, my power is 2, and my value is x plus 3 divided by x. Now 5 squared is 25, so if you cross multiply, you get 25x equals x plus 3. Subtract x from both sides, you get 24 equals 3, 24x, sorry. So x equals 3 over 24, which equals 1/8. Now let's double check and see if that works. When I plug in 1/8 here, this is going to be positive. And of course, 1/8 is already positive. So 1/8 is our solution. Okay, our last one is with ln. Let's condense that using our quotient property. Since it's minus, I'm dividing. So that's just really ln of x equals 1/2. Now, if you multiply this by ln of e, which is 1, ln of e equals 1, and do your power property of ln of x equals ln of e to the 1/2. Well, the ln's cancel, so x equals e to the 1/2. And that's it. E to the 1/2 works because e equals 2.718. So if you take the square root of that, plug it in here, it's still going to be positive. All right, and that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.